So dropshipping is just a model. It's always existed. It's the model of arbitrage. It existed from the time you had Marco Polo traveling to China all the way to, Europe transacting with Japan when Japan's borders were closed. You had this concept of arbitrage. Dropshipping is just digital arbitrage, where you're taking a product that you don't truly own, a warehouse, a manufacturer owns it, you market it for a markup, and then you sell it to a customer. That markup is basically what you get to keep. Now, dropshipping, the model of dropshipping has existed not only in selling digital products, but it exists in houses, it exists in cars, it exists in basically every sort of asset or product in the world. So understanding that dropshipping is just a model, it's always existed and it will always exist. It's understanding where the attention is, because where attention goes, money flows. So where's the attention in 2016, 2017, 2018? On Facebook. 100%. That's where we all spent our days. We were all here playing fucking Farmville. Like, let's be real. So who's running your ads? Luke. Very simple.
Yeah.
So where the attention is right now? TikTok. Where is Luke? On TikTok. So where the attention goes, money flows. Position yourself not only to be the best in the industry, to offer products of value and service, but understand where the attention, where the audience, where the liquidity, where the money is, and then you can position yourself there. And I think you can collect some points.